guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I'm unboxing the Wyze camera. Yes, this is one my mother originally bought like before they made it pretty big and their cameras were like under 20 bucks. Now they're 30 bucks and on their third version, which I think is awesome. I think it's the third version. So when you open it up, it gives you a quick start guide. With pretty long, if you ask me. Alright, let's see. Cam Plus in the box, setup, light. Oh no, they have red, blue. Back in my day it was yellow. Alright, you open the little flap and it should pop out. Wait a minute. Obviously, comes the camera. Ta-da! This is it. I still have, well, it does have that same stand. I think the ones we have is 2 version 1s and 1 version 2. Alright, so obviously the first thing we want to do is check that it can turn on. And there should be light, yep, in the front, so since it's solid red. I don't know why it changes drastically. It might be the settings I have, but I'm logging into Wyze. I think I'm gonna create an account, cameras, and I believe this says the Wzye Cam V version 3. Plug into an out, yep, and then it will flash red shortly after it's doing that. And press setup. Oh, the buttons now.
Ready to connect.
Ooh, it's a male. Oh. Alright, so QR code.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
And then it's just connecting while we wait. How's your day going? Why are you interested in these cameras? Personally, the first ones work really great. The reason we just got one of the newer versions is because the older ones are pretty like old.
Setup completed.
Oh, not quick. I'm gonna name this living room cam. That one for $167 a month? Not at the moment. Okay. Skip. Finish. I would just like to see. Wait, I know how to fix. It's gonna look so funny. Wow. Okay, so it works perfectly. Let's test the audio. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
And then it echoes. You can record.
Boo.
The audio works. Take a photo. More. Let's look at the album. Oh, photos. It's so glossy. I gotta take the thing off. And then motion tagging. It's not giving, you know, siren, but I think it's good. You can do time lapse, album, siren, motion tagging, auto. Let's see the. Okay. So this is like the night mode. So let's go night mode, I guess. Ooh, kind of looks a little better with it off. Let's do auto. What does it do? Ooh, there it is. I even pop up on my screen. Oh my gosh, like I'm gonna rob the place. I need to grab everything. Like video evidence. Alright, this works pretty good. I'm gonna set this up somewhere different in my house, obviously. But everything works. I mean, it's it worked pretty good. I'm surprised it's still on the night mode. Maybe I need something flashy. That's pretty much everything. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or comments, let a girl know. I mean, personally, I've had these for a while. We don't have the plan. We just use it when like we're out of town. We get the plan or something like that. But you know, I mean, we like them. I don't know. They're nothing too special. I'm not a camera person. Obviously, I am. Look how good I look. All right. Yep. Any questions, comments, or concerns, or like warranty things? Like we've had ours, I think pre-pandemic as well, or other ones. So, you know, this is a pretty good quality. I don't know much about the company and such. Only issues we've ever had is their first ones kind of not, like, the first ones we have, like, the official ones, they worked great. But then as they upgraded and got new malware and all that stuff, they didn't have, like, nicer night vision or good motion tagging. It would be, like, very general and it would be very lagged. These are a lot quicker and work better because they're newer models, which I think is a great improvement. And I think we actually have a version 3. I think we have 2 version 3s and 2 version 1s. Yes. And then what's really cool, which I didn't mention, is that like you can see it's blue, but then let's say I go into the Wyze app. Oh, look, it's loading. It turns red when someone's watching, which I find funny because, well, we would stay at home during the summer. Our mom would check in on us because, you know, and we would be like, and sometimes she wouldn't be, and it would be red, and we'd be like, who's watching, you know? But yep, and it turns right back to blue. I will take this off. I should have. Let's see if I can make a clear image to quickly show you guys. I didn't think of that. But awesome. So like this is what the app looks like home. Like I'm not even clicking on the camera. It shows this. It's even like showing red. It's obviously a little blurry because, well, you gotta click into it to get it more like HD. Personally, I don't think the night vision needs to be on. So let's turn it off and see what it looks like. Oh, I'm more melanated than on my tablet, which I find hilarious. Obviously, if you move too much and like it glitches or pixels more, but I think it's a pretty clear one. I mean, heck, I should just invest in this and use it as a streaming camera. I don't know if you guys want that. Let's check out the app though. So there's obviously like events. It tells you like, hey, obviously I didn't have it before then. The 28th, it's like, oh, living room cam, like there was motion at 10:07. It's 10:12, you know. And it like the more cameras you get, it pops up like here and here, and you can even like turn it off and you click it and it's off like instantly. But I think I'll test it while I'm also on vacation and just do a quick summer video on that as well. Like, hey guys, here's an update. Like, I can see my dog. Yeah, we should find a good angle to put it on and somewhere that's constantly plugged in. And then if I turn it back on, like with the newer versions we have at home, like the version I think 2 and 3, this is the 3rd one we have. When you turn it on, it will turn on. But for the version 1s, if you turn them off, you have to literally reconnect them constantly. That's the main issue I just remembered we had, which was unfortunate. And I'll let the boss lady know. This one's in motion. Or we could put it somewhere. Good technology, I fear. Just not overusing it and just use it in appropriate ways, like security purposes. The grips on the bottom work pretty well. Shakes my desk instead. Shows you. Yes, we've never really put them up somewhere or like something like that. We just have them on a shelf or something. Yep. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to unplug it. So it looks a really good cube. It has like kind of an electric port and looks great. Yep. Thanks so much for watching. Make a great jam.